Hey everyone, it's Sarah with the Dinner Bell, and I'm here with a how-to video about how to book a meal prep session at the store from our website. So I'm at dinnerbellstl.com. I'm logged into my account, and the first thing you're going to want to do is head to the Order tab, hover over that, and then select Book Meal Prep Session. Now it's going to bring you to the appointment date and time. So you're going to want to select a date that is at least 24 hours in advance. If the date and time that you want is grayed out, that means that the website has closed it off. You can give us a call and see if we can fit you in at that date and time. Otherwise, you can select another date and time. So I'm going to go with Saturday the 2nd, and I'm going to say 10 a.m. for me. I'm going to hit confirm, and then it's going to take me to the menu. Now on this page, you need to select which items you would like to make in your meal prep session, just like shopping online. I would like to add this sweet teriyaki grilled chicken to my cart, one of those. Then you get a little confirmation that pops up telling you that it's in your cart. You can see your cart right over here. Now I'm also going to add 3 orders of chicken enchiladas because they are so good. Add those to my cart, and I'm going to continue shopping because I absolutely can't forget the breakfast. And I'm going to say 2 orders of the breakfast casserole. Those are great for busy mornings. Throw it in the oven the day before, then you can have it ready for the next day. So now I've got 6 items in my cart for the 2nd at my 10 a.m. session. I'm going to hit View Cart. Now I'm going to make sure that the bubble next to Make It Store session is selected, and I would like to pay at the store. Now the page is going to flicker and refresh, which means that it is just changing my selection, but that doesn't mean that the order is submitted yet. You need to be sure to scroll down underneath your order to hit submit. So here's my order. I've got 6 items, which means I get the volume discount, and I also get a free item. I'm going to hit submit order, wait for a moment or two as the confirmation pops up. So it's going to tell me the amount that's due when I get to the store, and it has my confirmation number. There's also going to be a confirmation in my email. If I need to confirm, I can always go to my account, select on orders, and I can see right here, this is my order. After a moment or two when it opens, it'll show me exactly what I have. So there's that 1 order of sweet teriyaki grilled chicken, 3 orders of the oh so delicious chicken enchiladas, and the 2 loaded breakfast casserole bakes. It'll show me the total, and it also has the date and time. Easy peasy. If you guys like these videos, please let us know. We are on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Or you can let us know when you're at the store. We will see you guys at the Dinner Bell.